Hi, in this video I'll show you how to fix your steam wand nozzle. If you have Rancilio Silvia and someday you notice that the steam is getting weaker or no steam at all when you open the steam valve, the most probable case calls for this is the tip of the steam wand is clogged with dry milk or something came from the boiler, let's say a piece of limestone, and clogged the hole at the tip. It doesn't have any hexagons for wrenches. How to unscrew it without damaging is like cut strip of paper, twist it a few times around the nozzle, get pliers with like this cutter, or if you don't have, just put it like this. In this case I'll use this part, and squeeze and turn. Now you can unscrew it. Now you can run water to the steam wand to clear everything inside, and use toothpick or something else to clean the hole. So you can soak it in kafiza as well, so it will soften the dry milk, and clean it. Use toothpick to clean it, but don't use anything hard because it will enlarge the hole. The part is made of brass and chrome coated on top, and it's easy if you insert something metal to enlarge the hole, so your steam will become weaker with the time. Then put it back in. Because there is O-ring here, you don't need to use pliers to tighten it, just use your fingers, tighten it, and that's it. Next time it will be much easier to unscrew it again. This is how you clean the steam wand nozzle. Thanks for watching.